Hi everyone, I'm Donbison 101. Today I'm going to show you how to use Zoom. I'm going to show you how to use Zoom. I'm going to show you how to download and install Zoom on your PCs or desktops. And then I'm going to show you some existing functionalities that even if you have been using Zoom, I'm going to show you some certain things that you might not have met before. I'm going to show you how to host a meeting. I'm going to show you how to apply a video. I'm going to show you how to even smoothen your videos. I'm going to show you how to project. I'm going to show you how to use a whiteboard and others. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. I am on my PC, so when you want to get Zoom on your PC or desktop, you just type www.zoom.org. When you type on this website, you are going to get to this page, as you can see right in front of me. So when you get this, you join a meeting to your students or to your business partners. If you have a small business, if you have a large business, if you are a teacher, this is where the students will join. So you are the host. As a host, you come here and then you click on with video on. You click on with video on. Since I already have an account, this is how my account looks like. So you download Zoom and install on your desktop, and then you open. When you open Zoom, it actually opens like this, and then you will see new meeting, join, schedule. If you want to schedule a meeting, you schedule a meeting here. If you want to join as a student or as a member of a company, you can join from here. You can share your screen. So I'm going to open a new meeting since I want to show you how Zoom actually works. So to open up a new meeting, this is our browser. The browser will actually open like that, and then you see join with computer audio. You click join with computer audio. Yes, so this is Zoom. Let's start from the first icon. I'm going to show you a variety of icons here. Like here, this is mute. You mute. So here you can actually mute your mic when you are talking to your friends or teachers or your colleagues, or you're in a meeting. You can unmute your mic here. So on this other small app here, you can actually maneuver. You have microphones. You can choose the kind of microphone you want to use. Your speakers, you can choose your speakers here. And then here you can stop your video. You can turn on your video here. And then this small icon here, you can choose a visual background or choose video filters, like visual background like this one. You see, I can choose a visual background like this. As you can see, I can choose like this. I can choose this. I can choose my background like this. I can choose any type of background that I want to use. I can choose this one. Let's say I want to use this, and I can use this. Okay, let's say this. This is the kind of background I want to use. So you can choose a background like this, as you can see. And then when you move here, add participants. This is where you add participants. You can add participants. Let's say you can mute. You can mute anybody. You can unmute anybody here. Here you can add participants, or you name. Like here, my name is Ngamba. I can say Don Bison 101. If I want to change my name, I want to rename. I can change. You can see I've renamed. So you can rename participants, you can mute, you can unmute, and so on and so forth. You close the tab. So let's move forward. Here on this small icon, you can invite anybody you want to invite here by just clicking here. To invite somebody, you can invite through contacts, telephone numbers. You can invite through contacts, or you just invite through a copy of the link, or you copy invitations here, or you use emails. Email address, you use Yahoo, default, or Gmail, or you just copy the link again and send to people. That's how you invite people. Now here on this other one, this is where you chat with those who are on the meeting. You can chat, hello, how are you doing today? So everybody on your conference call sees this message, so you can chat and people can still respond to you through this chat. So this is how you chat with everybody. Yeah, you can close this tab. Next, here on the share screen, I'm going to show you on the share screen. You can share your screen if you are teaching a large crowd of 100. You can host a large crowd of 100 people, but Zoom is 40 minutes. I said you buy, you go on premium and you buy. You can project anything you want to teach. Like for instance, I want to project this. This is what I'm teaching today. Accident picture compositions. Picture 1, look at the pictures and read the statements. Tell if they describe picture 1, 2, or both. You understand? These are the questions. So if I was teaching my students, this is how I project what I'm teaching. Or if you are in a meeting session, you project what you are teaching on the board, and then the students can see, the workers can see. And then to stop, you stop from here. Stop. So here again, you can still project using the whiteboard like this one. This is a whiteboard. You can project using the whiteboard. Like if I want to write anything, like this is an eraser, format, undo, radio, clear, save, stamp. If I want to write anything, I can write anything here. If I want to format, I can format using any color. Format using this, I can use. If I want to clear all, you see, you clear. You can use this to actually draw or write anything on the meeting session, and everybody sees what you are doing. So if you want to save, you can just save here. Since I don't want to save, I can just click here and then stop presenting. Now you can still go here on multiple participants. Like if you want to share with multiple people, you can still share from here. You share advanced sharing, you can share. Yes, you choose one participant or you choose multiples. Only a host who can share. You can say, you can choose to say you can share alone as a host, or you can allow all participants to share. It's up to you. So you allow multiple participants to share. Who can start sharing when someone else is sharing. Everybody or a host or all participants can share. It's up to you. So here you can record as you
recording
can see.
In progress.
Oh, so I'm recording now. If you want to record your meeting, or you want to record your students, or you want to record your teaching, you just click on recording, and if you want to stop, you still click on stop.
Recording stopped.
So this is how you use this. And then reactions. At the end of your presentation, at least students are happy or the company is happy. They give you reactions, or they give you at the end of the presentation, if everything is good, they give you a thumbs up. They tell you, oh, you are good, you are good. But if the presentation is bad, they can still give you these bad emojis. These ones they can give you emojis, good emojis. Yeah, so this is how they can give you love, everything here. These are reactions. So this is how. So students can still raise up their hands. If you want students to raise up their hands, they can still raise up their hands. Yeah. So they can raise up their hands. If they want to say all, the workers can raise up their hands. If they want to say anything, they can raise up their hands from there. So this is how you do. These are other emojis. They can still do it here. So here, the last app is this is where you just. This one is not even as important as we were talking, so it has nothing to. It's not as important as. So for here, you can turn on speakers or you unturn your speakers. It's up to you. So this is how you use Zoom to teach. You use Zoom to teach. You use Zoom to present your meetings. You use Zoom to do everything you want. As we say in this platform. So this is the end. This is how you use Zoom. Zoom is just 40 minutes, and sometimes we have to buy. You have to buy if it requires you to buy, because you can use at least 1 hour or 2 hours. If you need to use 1 hour or 2 hours, you need to buy. Go on premium. Yeah, but this one is free to download and install. Is actually free and use for 40 minutes. And you can host at least 100 participants. And you use this. I hope you have learned something from all that. This is all that I have. On this quick tutorial on how to use Zoom conferences, it is pretty some software, very easy for us to use. You watch the videos and you are able to host or join a meeting. If you are able to host or join a meeting from watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Like I always say, if you like or want me to do any new content, please just go to the comment section and let me know. And if you want to see more of these videos in the future, please hit the subscribe button. From there, you'll be getting notifications on anytime my new content comes up. Until then, thanks for tuning in. See you. Bye-bye. I remain Don Bison 101 with technical and short and